Hi guys, and welcome back to Talk Automotive, the channel from a car lover to car lovers. Today we're on the Mini Bitz Run for August. There's a huge turnout of cars, everything from GP1s to R56s. So today we're going to be heading across the Peak District with all these cars and getting some really good shots. But before we do that, we need to get the car cleaned and put a new mod on it, a little exterior mod. So let's head back to yesterday and then we'll hit it here with these guys. Okay, so we're with the F56 now, so what we need to do is get a Torx 25 bit, Torx 25, to undo this bolt here, so let's do that now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tape around the edge of the scoop because you need a trim tool, but I've not got one, so well, I did but I broke it, so I need to get this scoop off, so I'm going to masking tape around it just to protect it. Right, they are all protected. Now we can have a go at getting this scoop off. So now what you need to do is just remove all these clips. Make sure you have them all. You should have 6, and I have 4. Okay, so 2 have stayed in the car, like this. 2 have stayed in there, just need to pop them out now. So that's that off, give this a quick clean up and then I'll install the new one. Now this actually comes with a screw provided, so that's really kind. Just get that out. Now we just need to pop these clips in. Yeah, like so. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5, and 6. So all those clips are in. So let's put it back on the car. All those clips are in place. Just make sure that they're well seated. Line them up. That done, looking great, and now we just need to pop the bolt in underneath. And there we go guys, done. Don't know about you, but that looks looking awesome. Carbon mirrors, carbon scoop. And here we go, first Mini Bitz run of 2020, and what a shame because of COVID, but we're about to go. Lauren's in, starting, Lee's doing some filming, and yeah, let's get up to when it's past and see what's going on. But it's going to be a hell of a lot of fun, I think. Yeah, over 100 minis, everything from R50s to GPs to F56s. What an afternoon this is going to be. Stay tuned and let's get to when it's back. So, you know, I was telling you it was a little bit busy. Well, we've shut the road down both ways. Too many minis, no one knows where to go or where to park. Yeah, look at that. Class. So, yeah, let's have a look at some of these cars. Here with Lauren and a very bright yellow, well, what colour is it? What's it called?
Satin energetic yellow.
Satin energetic yellow. So talk us about where the idea of the wrap came from.
Well, I just hated living with a black car, and I saw a few wrapped like BMWs and stuff on Instagram, and that's where I kind of got the inspiration from. And I just thought, like, it needed a few like scuff repairs and stuff, and it was just hard to maintain, so I thought if I get a wrap, it's a bit of a promotional thing for Mini Bitz, and it stands out, so it's quite cool.
Good. And the wheels, these came from?
Yeah. Struggled to find which fit on the F56, but we've had these on one of Lee's F56s, so I thought I'd go straight out, and we got like the anthracite and polished, so, and they fit dead well.
Good. And then the RSI C6 Scoop as well, didn't you? You've had gone for that one.
So that was my friend Tara's fault, because she bought it herself, but then she changed her mind, so I was like, oh yeah, I'll have it then, so I had it off her. The only thing I've had to do is obviously grill that mesh part on.
the end of a great day. Thanks so much to Lauren and Lee and the guys at Mini Bitz for setting up an unreal day. Seen some great minis, seen my first GP3 in the flesh. Now, yeah, probably do prefer it in the flesh. Not my favourite, GP1 will never replace that, but there were some epic cars there. Lauren's wrap looks absolutely sick, and there's going to be some content coming and some collaboration between Torque and Mini Bitz, which will be really, really good for the channel. If you've enjoyed the video, when you've got to this point, please hit the thumbs up. Drop comments, as they're always welcome, about any of the videos or any, you know, suggestions you have on how to make these videos better. If you really are feeling in a good mood, please smash the subscribe button because it means absolutely everything to me. Until next time, as always, peace.